Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out a new mousetrap that caught my eye when I was shopping on eBay. This is called the PV Mouser. It's made out of a block of wood. It has 3 springs, a wire noose. It's capable of catching 3 mice in one night, and it's a choker style mousetrap. There's a huge variety of choker style mousetraps. One of my most popular videos I posted on YouTube is this trap. This is called the Mescal Spring. I recreated this out of a book that was written 428 years ago. So this style has been used for a long time and it really works well. I was able to get 4 mice with this trap. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get 3 with the PV Mouser. On the end of the log here we have a hole drilled in. There's a wire noose that comes down and up, and there's a spring. There's 2 holes on the top and bottom too. You pull down the spring under the tension, tie the rope around there. That blocks the way for the mouse to get the bait behind her. He'll go through, chew that string with his teeth, release the noose, it'll come up and you got him. Now I was really curious about the history of this trap, so I contacted the seller and he said I bought the very first model for their small startup company. PV stands for Peaceful Valley. It's a small family project where they're doing some homesteading. They have a blog. It's a really great blog. I love reading those articles. And one of the family members' contributions to this project is to make mouse traps. This is an artisan style mouse trap. It's pretty fancy, really well built. He's talking about making some utilitarian styles that are easier to set. Also, he's talking about making a catapult style mousetrap. I want to be the first customer to buy and test out the catapult mousetrap, so stay tuned, I'll let you know when that's available. What I like so much about this mousetrap is it's really well built with quality material. He also did some improvements. He welded a V on top to cradle that trigger string. To set it, I have my needle and string. I'll just come down through the top hole and loop it back around. Now I'll just tie down the noose by pulling it like this and then doing a square knot. It's all tied down. I can trim off this extra string. You put bait in the back of the hole, the mouse will stick his head in there. Want to get that bait, chew through the string, and the spring's pretty powerful. Comes up very quickly, that will get the mouse. So let's go ahead and reset all 3 springs, then go set this up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can get a triple with the PV Mouser. This PV Mouser trap worked incredibly well. 3 mice wanted to get the bait, came in, chewed through the string, and got caught. To release them, you pull down the springs, give them a little tug. One of those mice I pulled out has a botfly parasite in it. That's really gross. I really like this idea of using a piece of wood with a Y to make a choker style mouse trap. PV Mouser is coming up with more traps. At the time of filming this video, they don't have any for sale, but they plan on having more in the future, so check out their website. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.